Join me as I challenge myself to bring this Durga face sculpture to life using just acrylic colors. I have always been fascinated by the power of art to transform simple objects into something extraordinary. This Durga face sculpture, with its intricate details and uh, certain expression, seemed like the perfect candidate for a colorful makeover. The idea of breathing life into it with vibrant acrylic colors was too exciting to resist. The initial challenge was making the sculpture visually striking. At first glance, it looked beautiful, but I know that with the right colors, I could enhance its beauty and meaning. The sculpture represents Durga, the embodiment of divine feminine power in Hinduism, and I wanted the colors to reflect their strength and elegance. The right palette would make her expression more vibrant, her features more defined, and her presence more compelling. To start, I carefully selected a range of acrylic colors that would complement the sculpture features. I chose shades of blue and green to represent tranquility and nature, the touches of gold and red to significantly her divine power. The technique I used was layering, applying thin layers of paint to build up the colors gradually. These approaches allowed me to achieve a sense of depth and luminosity on the sculpture surface. As I began to apply the colors, I was thrilled to see how each layer transformed the sculpture, bringing out new details and texture. The process was quite meditative. Actually, I found myself getting lost in the flow of painting, carefully considering each brushstrokes and color choice. My goal was to strike a balance between enhancing the sculpture's nature beauty and adding a bold, eye-catching element. I love how the colors seem to dance across the sculpture surface, highlighting its canvas and contours. With each brushstrokes, the sculpture started to take on a new life. The colors seemed to awaken its expression, imbuing it with a sense of vitality and energy. I was excited to see the transformation unfold, and I could not wait to share it with you. The transformation was not just visual, it also had the emotional impact, evoking feeling of joy and wonder. As I look back on this journey, I'm reminded of the power of art of express culture and identity. This Durga sculpture brought to life with color stand as a instrument to the beauty and richness of Hindu heritage. It's amazing how a simple object can be transformed into something that resonates with so many people. If you enjoyed watching me bring this Durga vase sculpture to life, please like and comment on your favorite part of this process. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative content where I challenge myself to create something new and exciting. Thank you very much and bye bye.